Hey everyone, Dean here. Are you tired of juggling tasks, schedules, and planning on multiple apps? I feel you. That's why in this video we're diving into the world of productivity apps to uncover the very best ones out there. We're talking about apps designed to streamline your life, from daily to-do lists and meal planning to organizing work projects and personal goals. Let's get organized and conquer those important goals. First up, we have Todoist, a sleek and intuitive app that has revolutionized the way I manage my tasks and projects. It's become my go-to for taming my to-do list, and I can't imagine my daily routine without it. Whether you're juggling work assignments, personal errands, or creative projects, Todoist has got you covered. Todoist makes task management incredibly easy and efficient. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it simple to navigate and organize your tasks. You can create projects for different areas of your life, like work, personal, or creative projects. This way, everything is neatly categorized, and you can focus on one area at a time without feeling overwhelmed. Then break down those projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. This hierarchical structure helps you see the big picture while also keeping track of the finer details. What I love about Todoist is its flexibility. You can customize your tasks to fit your specific needs, whether it's adding labels, setting priorities, or attaching files. Todoist adapts to your workflow. You can set due dates, recurring tasks, and even add subtasks within tasks for those bigger projects. This ensures that nothing slips through the cracks and you stay on top of your deadlines. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket, reminding you about deadlines and keeping you on track. The notification feature is particularly handy, ensuring you're always aware of upcoming tasks and deadlines. Trust me, once you experience the satisfaction of checking off those tasks in Todoist, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. The sense of accomplishment you get from seeing your progress is incredibly motivating. Another fantastic feature of Todoist is its ability to sync across all your devices. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, your tasks are always up to date. This seamless integration means you can manage your tasks on the go, no matter where you are. Todoist also excels in collaboration. You can share projects and tasks with team members, making it easy to work together and stay aligned. Assign tasks, leave comments, and track progress all within the app. For those who love data, Todoist offers productivity reports and analytics. You can track your progress over time, see how many tasks you've completed, and identify areas for improvement. It's a great way to stay motivated and continuously improve your productivity. Personalization is another strong suit of Todoist. You can customize the interface with different themes and colors, making it truly your own. This personal touch makes using the app even more enjoyable. Todoist integrates seamlessly with other apps and services you might already be using. Whether it's your calendar, email, or other productivity tools, Todoist can connect with them to streamline your workflow. This integration ensures that all your tools work together harmoniously, and don't worry about being offline. Todoist works perfectly well without an internet connection. You can access your tasks and make updates even when you're not connected, and everything will sync once you're back online. While the free version of Todoist is incredibly powerful, the premium version offers even more features. From advanced filters to additional customization options, Todoist Premium takes your task management to the next level. The Todoist community is also worth mentioning. With millions of users worldwide, There's a wealth of tips, tricks, and support available. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll find a community of like-minded individuals ready to help you get the most out of Todoist. The development team behind Todoist is constantly working to improve the app. Regular updates bring new features and enhancements, ensuring that Todoist remains at the cutting edge of task management technology. In conclusion, Todoist is more than just a task manager. It's a comprehensive tool that helps you stay organized, productive, and on top of your game. Give it a try and see how it can transform the way you manage your tasks and projects. Download Todoist today and take the first step towards a more organized and productive life. With its powerful features and intuitive design, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Next, we're diving into the world of Notion, an app that's revolutionized the way I organize my entire life. Imagine having a single platform where you can bring together all your notes, tasks, projects, and even your personal goals. That's what Notion offers. It's like having a digital Swiss Army knife that adapts to your needs, whether you're planning a complex project or just jotting down a quick note. Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's a fully customizable workspace where you can manage projects, create wikis, track habits, and so much more. Think of it as your digital command center. You can set up a project management dashboard to keep track of deadlines, milestones, and tasks. Or you can create a personal wiki to store all your knowledge and resources in one place. The possibilities are endless. The beauty of Notion lies in its flexibility. You can tailor it to fit your unique workflow and preferences. Want a minimalist interface? You got it. Prefer a more detailed and colorful layout? That's possible too. The customization options are vast, allowing you to create a workspace that truly feels like your own. You can add different types of content blocks, such as text, images, and even embedded files, to make your pages as simple or as complex as you need them to be. You can create pages and databases, connect them however you like, and customize the look and feel to match your style. For instance, you can link a task database to a project page so you always know what needs to be done next. Or you can create a habit tracker that updates automatically based on your daily entries. The interconnectedness of Notion's features means you can build a system that works seamlessly for you. Whether you're a student organizing notes, a freelancer managing client projects, or just someone who wants to keep their life in order, Notion has something for you. Students can benefit from creating class notes, assignment trackers, and study schedules all in one place. Freelancers can manage client projects, track invoices, and even create portfolios to showcase their work. And for personal use, you can organize everything from grocery lists to travel plans. I highly recommend checking out some of the amazing Notion templates available online to get a head start on creating your perfect workspace. These templates can save you a lot of time and effort, providing you with a solid foundation that you can then customize to suit your needs. From project management templates to personal planners, there's something for everyone. So dive in and explore the endless possibilities that Notion has to offer. You'll be amazed at how much more organized and productive you can be with the right tools at your fingertips. So, there you have it. 2 powerful productivity apps that can truly revolutionize the way you manage your tasks and time. These tools are designed to streamline your workflow, making it easier to stay on top of your responsibilities and commitments. Whether you're a fan of simple to-do lists that help you keep track of daily tasks, or prefer a more sophisticated system with customizable workspaces that allow you to tailor your productivity environment to your specific needs, there's an app out there to help you achieve your goals. These apps are not just about managing tasks, they are about enhancing your overall productivity and efficiency. Don't forget to explore the app stores and read reviews to find the perfect fit for your needs. With so many options available, it's important to choose an app that aligns with your workflow and personal preferences. Remember, productivity is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously improving and finding new ways to work smarter, not harder. With the right tools and mindset, you can make 2024 your most productive year yet. Embrace these apps, explore their features, and see how they can transform your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and here's to a more productive future.